In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable grouping windows by application on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select Desktop and Dock. And then on the right side, if you scroll down here, where underneath Mission Control, where it says Group Windows by Application, if you want to disable that, just click inside that oval to toggle it to the left, and that'll turn it off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.